wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best power tool kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. In addition to a few common devices, the Black & Decker BDIN F20C comes with a multi-purpose inflator, something you'll be thankful for when it's time to blow up an air mattress or pump up your kid's basketball. Everything is lightweight for easy handling. It includes a 5.5-inch circular blade and a bright digital gauge on the inflator. However, this set's only recommended for casual use. At number 9, it might not have the durability demanded by contractors, but many homeowners will find that the Skill 4 tool offers ample utility to tackle basic jobs around the house, like furniture assembly and simple fence repairs. It comes with an LED work light on the drill and offers easy toolless blade changes for the saw, but it's got fewer options than many. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The Metabo HPT4 tool includes an 18-volt hammer drill that puts out 487 inch-pounds of torque, despite weighing less than 4 pounds. Its reciprocating saw blade travels an inch during operation and delivers up to 3,300 strokes per minute. It includes 1.5 amp-hour batteries and a freestanding LED flashlight, along with a lifetime warranty on the tools. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Power Tool Kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Bosch CLPK 420 places a premium on comfort, as the grips on these tools are designed to minimize strain on your hands and arms. Its reciprocating saw features a useful auxiliary handle, in addition to a variable speed trigger and 2-speed transmission. It's equipped with a convenient belt clip on the drill and a 1700 RPM maximum speed on the impact driver. It's all backed by a 1-year limited warranty. Moving up our list to number 6. With an impact driver, a drill, a circular saw and a flashlight, the Craftsman V20 CMCK 401D2 is a good choice for starting a new collection. For an additional cost, a 5th tool can be selected, with options including a jigsaw or an 85-piece bit set. The light has a 140 lumens output, and it includes a 3-year limited warranty and a pair of 20-volt batteries. Halfway up our list at number 5. The 9-piece Ryobi P1869 comes with all the basic tools you might expect, plus a hand vacuum and a string trimmer that'll be useful around the house and yard. It features a variable speed oscillating tool, a zippered bag for storage, and a drill with a 2-speed gearbox. At number 4, the Milwaukee M18 comes with 1 extended capacity battery and 1 compact battery, both of which will reliably power its drill, impact driver, and 2 saws. Everything is relatively lightweight, which is nice for long work sessions. These can withstand typical job site abuse, and all the tools are cordless. However, none are brushless. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Porter-Cable 8 tool consolidates the primary tools of a carpenter's kit into a single package. In addition to all the usual gear you'd expect, it also contains a convenient palm sander for finishing work. It's got a jigsaw with 3 orbital settings, and there's also an optional job site radio available. It's backed by a 3-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Power Tool Kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the jury's still out on whether job site blowers like the 18,000 RPM unit included with the Makita XT706 make cleanup any faster, but there's no doubt they make it a lot more fun. This collection also comes with a xenon flashlight and 4.5-inch brushless grinder. It boasts overload and overheating protection, a fan-cooled charger, and a storage bag with wheels. And coming in at number 1 on our list, if the DeWalt 20-volt Max 10 tool doesn't provide enough gear for you, it's also offered with plenty of optional extras, including a rigid carrying case or a USB power source, so you can keep your phone charged on site while you're streaming music. It includes a grinder with an 8,000 RPM motor, a flashlight with an 11-hour battery life, and a brushless oscillating tool. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Power Tool Kits, or simply click beneath this video.